Look at what Andre built. That's the furnace. Turn the light on real quick. There's lights in there. It's right by my stairs. And then you go downstairs. He kind of came up with this idea before. The light thing is kind of cooler. But he hooked that up to our furnace. And you put those on the wall. So when the heat rises, it goes into the fan and it blows into the furnace and blows upstairs from the wood stove. And then it heats the chimney. And then we got this where the dryer goes. It sucks in the hot air and blows it up. Fuck, he's smart. Really smart. And look, none of it looks rugged either.